Good morning, all. This is Jack from Charting Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Monday, the 18th of May. My disclaimer: I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of it, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ctmcrypto.substack.com. It's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, Bitcoin has been coming down a little more. We had a bit of a fold on the market yesterday, and ES went further down, and Bitcoin was going down as well. We are back below the daily middle band, and we are testing, or at least close to testing, the 50 DMA, which is the main remaining support moving average, of course. No current divergence on the hourly chart, no current divergence either. In terms of the flag, I was thinking this looked like a bull flag setting up a retest of the high. It has gone down further. I'm wondering about a move down to the possible head and shoulder neckline in the 74.9 area, but I'm thinking we're probably going to see a rally first, looking at equities, oil, and so on. Looking at closer at the 15-minute chart and the flag, it is a perfect bear flag channel, and in due course I'm expecting it to deliver 60.1k retest. We're not close to the flag support yet, but I'm expecting this to deliver over the next few weeks, and I think sooner probably rather than later. All right, looking at Solana. Solana, obviously, we've been failing at the weekly middle band. I'm not seeing any reason to think we're going to break up over it. In terms of the daily chart, no current divergence. We need to go back a bit more and set up some divergence on the RSI 5. I'm not really expecting that, but it's possible. In terms of the hourly chart, we are down and testing and breaking very slightly, I think. The wedge support. I've given up on the possible trend line I had slightly over 100 because we have come down and tested support. So I've redrawn it accordingly. Hasn't got a nice anchor, but still perfectly acceptable. And this is us breaking down very slightly from this bear flag. This has a target, obviously, at 67.65. Probably going to see a bit of a rally today, but as we are probably on equities too, but obviously in due course I'm expecting this to reach 67.65, and I'm thinking it may well continue when it gets there. In terms of Ethereum, we've got obviously a fail at the weekly middle band again. On the daily chart, we're reaching the stage we could have set up some positive divergence, but we don't have any yet. In terms of the overnight, the bands are starting to expand here, but this is a good area for rally because we touched the 3SD lower band. In terms of the hourly chart, no current divergence, but we're getting pretty close to the flag support, which I've got in the 2000 area. Do we have a pattern here? Not really. I drew in a possible head and shoulder neckline. It went straight through it. We shall see how it goes. Doesn't necessarily need a topping pattern, of course, but I'm watching out. I've got another possible neckline down here, but it's a little low relative to the low, which was, of course, at 1746.93, and I'm expecting, once we break down from this flag, I'm expecting us to move to that, and again, very possibly break below. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. There are no questions. In that case, everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right, cheers.